Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a wired mouse to your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, before you can connect your wired mouse to your Redmi Note 14, you need an OTG adapter. So this adapter basically allows you to connect your mouse to your Redmi Note 14. So all you have to do is simply grab the adapter and then connect one end of your mouse to the adapter, and then connect the other end of the adapter to your Redmi Note 14. So simply grab your wired mouse and connect one end to the OTG adapter. So then once you connect it, it will look something like this. And then all you have to do is simply plug this in to your Redmi Note 14. So simply plug it in on the Redmi Note 14 charging port. So then once you plug in, you have successfully connected your your wired mouse to your Redmi Note 14. You can see that it's lighting up, indicating that the connection was successful. And also, once you connect it, you should see a cursor. So let me just show you. You should see a cursor appear on your screen. This indicating that the mouse has been successfully connected. You can now use your mouse to navigate through your phone. So let's say if you want to launch an application, simply find the application that you'd like. So let's say this application, simply select it and that will launch the application. And then you can use your mouse to scroll through. And also, let's say for instance, if you want to open an article and read through it, let's say for instance this one, you can simply select it and then you can scroll through that particular article. So that's basically it on how to connect a wired mouse to your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.